Welcome back to Steel City Drones. Today we're going to talk about what I consider to be an essential part of using an RC Plus remote, whether you're using a Matrice 30, Matrice 300, 350, or Inspire 3. So this here is a shoulder bracket kit that bolts right up to the RC Plus remote. And why I say it's an essential part is two reasons. A, what we have here is the weight of the remote can be very taxing for longer flight days. So, and using back-to-back flights, your hands holding this up can get fatigued and can take away from flight performance. Also, the second thing is, I feel if you're holding up the remote with your hands like this, okay, for example, you're not be able to really get the precision on your controls as easy as you can when you don't have to worry about holding up the remote. So that way your hands can just be on the control sticks as needed, especially if you are not thumb flyers. So if you're using two-finger pinch techniques, it's really difficult then to be able to hold this up just with your pinkies and to be able to go ahead and do that. It's really not possible. So you're almost forced to go ahead and do the thumb techniques as well. From our experience on training over 2,000 flyers on site, I lost track of how many we have trained on site. Many people go ahead and use the thumb techniques for flying, but when they're trying to do precision flying, the two pinch technique is actually much more controllable and easier to pull off. So either way, no matter how you fly, just being able to go ahead and have it like this where it's nice and balanced and you don't have to worry about that, and now you're just going ahead and using your fingers to fly, it makes longer flight days much more bearable and easier to be able to pull off. So again, and this is a very low cost item. This is less than $40. You can't beat that. So if you have any questions, let us know. We have this accessory on our store to be available for it. And thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you soon.